Hi there, future inventors. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Arduino Uno to your computer so that you can start creating awesome stuffs. First, let's gather our materials. You will need an Arduino board, a USB cable, and a computer. Find the USB port on your Arduino Uno. So the USB port is this one, the silver strip one. And next is, it looks like a rectangular hole on the side of the board. Take one end of your USB cable and plug it into this port. So this end matches this end of your Arduino board. So the silver matches with the silver square boards. So you need to plug this one here. So this is how we plugged it. And next end is this USB side. So this need to be connected to your computer on the USB port. So this is the connectivity. Okay, and if you see on the board, the lights flashing. So you should see the light flashing in your board. So this is the simple connectivity. Okay, in the next session I'm going to talk about the blink project.